Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your codebase with GitLab, full guide step by step clearly. Start by setting clear objectives for your scaling process. Identify the areas of your codebase that need scaling. Evaluate the existing structure of your repository in GitLab. Ensure all team members are aware of the scaling goals. Create separate branches for different features or modules. Adopt a modular approach to your codebase. Utilize GitLab's issues and merge requests to manage tasks effectively. Establish a clear branching strategy, such as Git flow or trunk-based development. Set up CI/CD pipelines in GitLab to automate testing and deployment. Integrate code quality and security scanning into your CI/CD process. Leverage GitLab's features like code reviews to maintain code quality during scaling. Use GitLab's wiki to document the scaling process and best practices. Regularly refactor your code to improve efficiency and maintainability. Implement version control best practices to keep track of changes throughout scaling. Monitor performance metrics to identify bottlenecks in your codebase. Encourage feedback from your team to enhance collaboration and workflow. Utilize GitLab's milestones to track progress and milestones effectively. Review and adjust your scaling strategy based on team input and performance data. Create a plan for continuous integration and continuous deployment as your team grows. Stay updated with GitLab's new features and improvements to enhance your scaling process. Foster a culture of collaboration and communication within your team. Regularly review your codebase with your team to ensure it remains scalable and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.